Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 2 ingredients pineapple jam. Let's get started. To make the pineapple jam, here I've got 650 gram chopped pineapple. This is ripe pineapple and I've weighed it after chopping it and removing the core. I removed the core, chopped the pineapple and then weighed it. Add the pineapple to a mixer grinder jar and grind to a smooth puree. If you do not have exact 650 gram of chopped pineapple, don't worry, I'll tell you how to measure or weigh sugar as per the quantity of pineapple you've got. But remember, this weight is after chopping the pineapple and not whole pineapple's weight. After pureeing, it's very important to strain the juice, otherwise your jam would be very fibrous. Don't worry, even after straining, your pineapple juice will still have a lot of fiber and the goodness of pineapple it's supposed to have. But be patient while doing this step, it will take some time. You can discard this pulp. Similarly, strain the remaining pulp and add little water. Look at the consistency of this pineapple juice. So this is a thick pineapple juice and it still has a lot of fiber in it. Let's move to the next step. I am transferring it to a kadhai. Take any thick bottom pan or kadhai, then add 400 gram sugar. So what I have done, amount of pineapple divided by 1.16, and that is the amount of sugar you need for this recipe. Mix the sugar and pineapple and start cooking between low to medium then medium to high flame. After some time, a layer of froth will collect on the top. Remove that layer and discard it. You will be left with clear pineapple juice. Keep cooking the jam at medium or between medium to high flame. It will start bubbling. If it starts to bubble a lot at high flame, you can reduce the flame, bring it back to medium, so medium to high. You would notice that the jam would start to thicken. But don't let it thicken at the same consistency, you would want for your jam, because it would thicken more as it cools down. Take a little amount of your jam once it's done, and if you see that it's holding its shape, it's not runny, it's done. Switch off the flame, your jam would thicken more as it cools down. Look at the consistency of the jam. It has cooled down and it has become thick. It would thicken slightly more upon refrigeration. Store the jam after it cools down in an airtight container, preferably a glass jar, and it would stay good up to 2 to 3 months in refrigerator. If you want to store your jam for longer duration, there is a different method. You need to first sterilize the bottles, add hot jam directly to it. This way you can make preservative and any artificial coloring free jam at home. But remember, the amount of pineapple, the weight of pineapple divided by 1.16 is the amount of sugar you need for your pineapple. So it's really not necessary to take 650 gram pineapple for this recipe. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!